So because of my resemblance, each time Amokachi is playing ball, there's this guy they call Amokachi. He's a very popular footballer way back in Nigeria Super Eagle. Amokachi. I don't know, you can remember Amokachi. So because of the disturbance, anytime I'm going on the street, even before my musical career, I'll be so popular. Popular in the sense that so many people sees me as an Amokachi. So many people sees me as Amokachi. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So many people sees me as Amokachi. You understand?
Okay.
So each time I am moving on the street, they sees me, look at this guy, because me myself, I train. I'm a bodybuilder too. You understand? I used to bodybuild. When you see everything about me, if you check my picture, check Amokachi picture, I will bring it out. You see Amokachi and me, you think we are identical twins. You understand? So guys were really disturbing me on the street, calling me Amokachi brother. I'm Amokachi brother. So many guys have come to me that I should render them assistant. After all, you be this Amokachi brother. I will just be laughing. I don't know Amokachi. You understand? I don't know Amokachi from Adam. The way people are looking forward to see him is the same way I am looking forward to see him. You know, he got to a level that one guy came to me around my environment where I stayed then in Abeson Estate. This man came to me and said, today, he will know whether I'm Amokachi's brother or not. Because the resemblance and the way I am. And me, I'm always, because of the kind of person I am, my training, what I put on and everything, I always take care of myself from beginning. I will not lie. I don't mind using my last kobo. I might not have anything, but what I wear, what I put on, or what I eat, I don't care. I'll be taking care of myself. I do take care of myself. So when you see me, you look me like Boti. I'll be my Paco pass you. You understand? So this particular day, this guy came to me and said, bro, today, I don't mind what it will cost me because Amokachi is in town today. Shebi, you say you are not Amokachi's brother. Okay, now I will sponsor whatever it takes to get to where Amokachi is today. I say, okay, no problem. I remember that match they played Super Eagle played against Burkina Faso. Then Amokachi just had those twins. Then Amokachi just nearly gave birth to twins. So they were training before the match. They were training in National Stadium. So this guy brought a car. He brought a cab. Said we should go and meet Amokachi in National Stadium. Believe you me, when we got to National Stadium, Amokachi was already inside the field. But me, I was dragging myself. I mean, I was dragging myself from the crowd. People were seeing me as Amokachi. Meanwhile, Amokachi was already training inside the field.
Wow.
You understand? That guy himself, that guy that brought me, the guy himself was surprised. What did this? I remember it was some mobile police that assisted me. They now took me in. I entered inside the field. You know, inside the field, now those places that people will squat. That was how they led me down to that place. I entered inside the stadium, I entered inside the field. I went to squat. Because those people believe that this guy is not Amokachi. Those first men, they knew I wasn't Amokachi, but this one is Amokachi brother. So let's give this guy Amokachi respect. So that was how they guided me. They took me to where I stayed. So after the training, so that was how they moved me. Oh yeah, go and follow your brother, join your brother to enter. That bus just entered field. The bus, the Super Eagle bus now enter the field. As they just finished the training, the Super Eagle bus came in, and that was how those police escorted me. That I should go and join my brother. Go and join your brother because these people they will rush you, they will squeeze you. It was one particular guy. I cannot say the guy was doing his job. He's a bouncer. The guy was Amokachi's bouncer. The guy never gave me chance to meet with Amokachi right in the field or to enter the say, who are you? The first man that was escorting me, they were telling the guy, this is Amokachi brother, and let him join his brother now. The guy said, no, this one not be, I don't know this guy. Amokachi never told me anything about it. This guy not be Amokachi brother. That was how the guy blocked me from entering the bus with them. Because they were already, I was already close. I was already about to join. So that was how that guy blocked me from Amokachi. Amokachi entered bus and you know, the bus moved. So I found myself my way out to join the guy that brought me. Then they were lodging in Sheraton. They lodged in Sheraton then. So we find our way down to Sheraton.
Wow.
As soon as we got to Sheraton, the same thing. Because there was crowd. No Super Ego then. They were up there. You know, they were delivering then. You know, so crowd was there. As soon as I got there, left and right. Amokachi. See Amokachi. As someone said, no, be Amokachi brother. No, Amokachi twin brother. This is that. I was just laughing. But me seeing myself in that situation that day, I believe that life has changed. That was my thoughts. I said, things from people to see me in this form and Amokachi is around. There's no way Amokachi will see me and let me go like this.
Exactly.
So we enter Sheraton and so many people, the attendants, they came around. Amokachi, your brother don't go up, your brother don't day up. You want to go and meet him? I said, no. I said, no, I'm not Amokachi brother. Say, are you sure? Are you saying the truth? Now, Organa lie. If you say we want me to give us money. No, I said, please, I'm not Amokachi's brother. When I'm saying it, nobody believe. So, but then I expressed myself to them. Before I know it, they called Amokachi. Amokachi replied them. They called, said, your brother is here. Oh. Should he come? Or they said, no, which my brother? Amokachi now told them that I'm not expecting enough of my brother. He said, this one are your twin brother. Oh. No wonder when you born to his no, I was hearing them telling her, no wonder your brother is here, is your twin brother. This one is just exactly like you. He was having his bait. He said, okay, let him have his bait. He will come down now. In a few minutes, I was back in the lift. In a few minutes, they said, your brother has arrived. When I look back like this, it's just as if I'm looking mirror.
Wow.
Amokachi himself saw me, he was shocked. He was short of word. What did he do? He just came straight to me, held me on my shoulder, and moved me forward. We were just strolling. Say, is it true that, what's your name? First of all, asked me, say, how are you? I said, I'm fine. I said, what's your name? I said, my name is Johnson. Is it true? Then the bouncer that is following him say, sir, this is the guy that this guy always tell people. This is the one that is telling people that is your Amokachi brother. I say, I never told anybody that I'm Amokachi's brother. But people call me Amokachi's brother because of our resemblance. I'm not a footballer. I'm an upcoming artist. I introduced myself. I tried to talk to Amokachi. So he just hold me on my shoulder. We were strolling together. Where he was asking me some questions. What's my name? Where am I from? What do I do? I explained to him. I said, but the reason why I came around today to see him, the disturbance has been too much on the streets. People disturb me so much. Anywhere I go, they call me Amokachi. Sometimes when I'm in midst of his fans, Amokachi real fans, those people that can die because of Amokachi, when I find myself in midst of such people, it's always hard for me to move out because they see me as Amokachi. Amokachi we are talking about now, those people, they are his fans, they have never seen him one-on-one, but they used to see him on television and all that. So as they see me, their mind goes to, this is Amokachi. Understand? There are so many occasions that mobile police people has assisted me out in midst of crowds. When you see crowd like this, and once they call Amokachi, 1-2 people call Amokachi, especially at Ikeja then, you will see crowd, you go run. Area boys everywhere will full. In 2 or 3 occasions that have police people has assisted me. So because of that, I said, today let me meet with this guy. At least when he sees me, nobody will tell him. So after asking me 1 or 2 questions, and with that talk of that is Bansa, said I'm portraying myself as Amokachi's brother. I'm portraying myself as Amokachi. I said, lie. Look at the way I am. I'm a trainee, I'm a bodybuilder. I'm an upcoming artist. What I do presently, I have a barber salon where I'm managing, I'm trying to pursue my career and all that. I told Amokachi everything. But after all said and done, Amokachi left me and entered his, he was going to club that night, left me and entered his, is it not 505, late America Spec 505, then it was raining. Entered and drove off, left me. So people were still telling me, why somebody I follow, that I follow close to his car, if he has 1 or 2 things to do, I still try to follow him up. While the guy, his bouncer came to me and said, bro, go back, or Amokachi is the boxer. If you force yourself too much on him now, he will start boxing you. He's a boxer, he will start doing this. When I look at it, because I want to come and see somebody that resemble me, that will look alike, I should not come and carry injury home. So I stepped back and he entered his car and drove off. So that was it. At the end of that was how that guy believed that truly this guy is not Amokachi's brother. And so many people before Amokachi arrived came downstairs that day in Charity. So many people have come to meet me that I should just link them. I should just link them because they believe that I'm Amokachi's brother. But please, just link us. I'm going to give you so amount. I'm going to do this. Just try to link up. Just try to introduce me to Amokachi. I'm not Amokachi's brother. It's what I was telling them. We are not brothers. As we are trying to see him, it's also the same way I'm trying to see him. So each time I remember that day, anytime I remember that day, I always feel bad. Amokachi was somebody I love so much because of our resemblance. But his behavior, the way he reacted, the way he behaved that day, since that day, I lost my likeness in him. You understand? So each time I remember that day, I feel bad. So that is one of the days that I remember since I've been struggling in this career, that each time I remember that day, I feel bad. And again and again, one of those things that each time I remember, I feel so bad. I feel really so bad, especially this that I want to say is that of my late son, Egosa. You know, each time I remember that boy, you know, I always feel so bad. I actually have 3 of them. I had 3 of them, but Egosa was then, way back, Egosa was my second son. It's my second boy. I lost him in 2018, and that thing affected me for almost 2 years plus, almost 2 or 3 years. I started gaining myself from that incident, for that my son issue. I started gaining myself back around since 2018 to around after COVID-19. Yes, after COVID-19. So I started gaining myself back after COVID-19 when a friend of mine also came to me to, you know, that friend, I don't want to say much about that. It was when my friend came to change my location for some time. So I started relieving myself from that, my son's injury. It was just like a brief illness of 1 week, you know. So that boy was so good musically. Well, actually, I feel him so much then because he's always good. It's just like the way I was narrating my story of music, how I was coming up. You know, so this boy was also good. This boy, anything that have to do with music is always super. Not that I was actually teaching them, though they know they were growing up, they were seeing their father as an artist and all that. But the way this boy was coming up, and I know by today, if that boy was still alive, he would have been something else. I will not lie, he will have been something else. So each time I remember Egosa, sometimes it will almost ruin my day. Any day I remember, anytime I really soak myself into that feelings, I always feel so bad throughout that day. So, but when they say life goes on, also when there's life, there's hope. So that is how I just see it.
Thank you very much, sir. Do you have any upcoming job projects that you want your fans to look out for?
I have. Like as an artist, like that is why I told you. I say as an artist, you can't just sit down and say I'm an artist. I have some work, popular work way back without, you know, it's just like you call yourself a footballer and you are not you are not training, you are not training, and you say you are a footballer. when you enter feed, it will be somehow for you. So when it comes to music, there have never been a time that I relent. I never relented musically. It's just that meeting people, like meeting people I'm telling you about now, it's not everything I have, like I told you, I have a whole lot. It's not everything I have expressed in this interview. Like, it got to a stage, I went to meet Kenny, D1, the owner of Nigezie. I've met with the owner of Nigezie, Kwame. We were very, very close way back.
Oh.
Kwame is a very, very close friend. These are close friends. So I try to meet with these people, you know, when you are not up to their level and they see that is this guy work now, I mean, one of these people I beg, I don't get, no, they will cut you off one way or the other. They will cut you off. So I try to meet with some people that I know that could assist me musically, that could boost my career, but they never give any attention. You understand? So I know there is a level you try to force some people to. After some time, it will become an insult. So what will you do?
Exactly.
You have to stay. You have to stay. So those are the things. If not musically, I will not lie you. Musically, because I'm the type that when I look the level of what is happening musically, I blend very fast. Because that is what I know how to do best. My number one is music, you know. So, but when you are not getting what you expected, the way it ought to go, but still, as being the father, this is what you know how to do best. I will never relent. You understand? So that is why I'm still on it to date. Even in this environment, all the young artists around me, they always come around me. Here, this place, you will always see artists around me here. Bro, listen to this work. Bro, look at, you know, it has always been like that. I've always encouraged them. You understand? So that's it. You know.
Thank you very much, sir. To round it all up, sir, can you give your viewers your final advice and your handle so they can check you up, your social media pages, and your phone number?
Okay. Yeah. My handle in social media is Uwaxious J. Uwaxious J. You get me once you on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, TikTok is the same name, Uwaxious J. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, my phone number, if you care, my phone number is 08023892724. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, eh. Whoa, oh, oh, eh. Whoa, oh, oh, eh. I'm a Uwaxious J. Come on, baby, don't stay too long. Now you are the think of day and night. I no fit do anything without you. Anything with them like me, then say. Come on, me and like what do they do to me? You don't make me go low, you don't make me follow, you don't make me fall in love. Oh, you just shock me like I don't fuck boy. You are my soul, baby. You are my soul, baby. You are my soul, baby. Can't stop loving, look into my heart. Tell me what you see, you will see yourself. Tell me what you feel, then you will know what I feel for you, baby sweet. Now you be my lover, baby. Now you be my heart, oh. Now you be my lover. Can't stop loving you. Now you be my love, baby. Now you be my heart. Now you be my love. What love on me?